the matter? You started with.
Shoes.
Oh, wow. I just have it out of order. Sorry about that. So we'll start with the shoe. Thank you. All right. So here we go. The shoe size of a batch of European tourists visiting the capital are given below. All right. Now, what I want to do first thing is I want to look at the key. So now stop what you're doing. Just make sure you hear me. The key. 2-5. All right. So what does that mean? Yeah, it means 25, right? So that means the smallest number is the stem, and all the other numbers are the what? Supposedly the leaf. I have no idea why. Like I said, when someone asked me, when I first saw this, I had to do the research to figure out what they were asking because I had no idea. All right, this is not common. Like I said, I don't know why this is on a standardized test. All right, but anyway, so you have to put the numbers in order, though. Does everybody agree with me? So what's the now? Usually the key is either the what, smallest, or the what. Either one of those, smallest or the largest. So what's the largest here? Somebody tell me.
47.
47. So if 47 is the largest, the key could have been. The key could have been 4 like this equals 47. It could have been like that. Does everybody agree with me on that? What?
There's 24.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of weird. There's 24. So the key is usually the smallest or the largest. You with me? All right. That's what I was told. All right. Like I said, I think it could be any of the numbers, but to be consistent, we always want to try to make either the smallest or the largest. All right. That's a good observation. All right. So that key just stands for the number 25. Now, are there any numbers in the between 10 and 20? No. There's numbers between 20 and 29, though, right?
Yes.
So I think the best thing to do is to put a 2. And then are there numbers in the 30s?
Yes.
Yeah, so then we put a 3. And then are there numbers in the 40s? Yes. There are numbers in the 50? No. So then we just kind of go there. Stop there. All right, does everybody see that? Now, honestly, you put them in order. All right, you put them in order. All right. So as we go through here, somebody said the smallest was what? 24. So then we put a 4. All right. Now I like to cross it out because I don't, I can see myself doubling something up. And then what? 25. So then we put a 5 down. Then what? 25 again. And then what? 26 goes next.
And 29.
And then what else?
29.
29. Is everybody good with that?
Mhm.
Yeah. Does everybody see? That's just simple, right? All right. Now we start with the 30s. So what's the smallest 30?
37.
37. Then what?
38 twice.
38 twice. Thank you very much.
And 30.
And then 39. And then what?
44.
44.
And 46.
Hold on a second. 44.
And 46 3 times.
Wait a minute. That's what I'm saying. You got to be careful. Don't forget the 45, right? That's why I crossed them out. And then what? How many?
3 46s.
1, 2, 3 46s.
And 47.
And then 47. Thank you. Now, what I normally do if I'm trying to get 100 or do something really well, I just count them up. So here I had, let's count the data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I just count on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that just shows me that I counted everything. All right. Now, is everybody with me on that? That's just kind of silly, right? Like I said, it's just another way of organizing data. All right. Have I ever done it? Never, ever, except in pre-algebra. All right. But again, I've seen it on standardized tests. All right, so I want to make sure we're good. So now, which shoe size is worn by most of the tourists? What would we say?
46.
I think 46 is good. What is the maximum shoe size?
47.
47. How many tourists wear shoes below size 40? Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got you. 9. Thank you for that. And then what is the minimum shoe size worn?
24.
24. Right? 24. And then how many European tourists visited the capital? 15. Yes, sir.
What is it a capital?
It's just in here. You had to read the front.
Oh,
You with me? It's not really anything important. Now, again, is everybody agreeing with me? That's really kind of simple. But again, I always tell people when someone first asked me about this, I had no idea. I couldn't have answered those questions, or I could not have made the stem and leaf if I hadn't known how to do that, if somebody didn't explain it to me. So, again, does everybody agree? Very simple. All right, very simple. So now what I want you to do is, let's go ahead and do, are we on the baseball bat?
no, the building.
All right, let's do the building. All right, everybody make the stem and leaf for the building. What?
It's just 4. There's a 5 in it. No. No, it's just 4.
So yeah, this is interesting. So 483 should be the largest. Is that the largest? No. See, I don't understand. Everything that literature that I've read said it's the key is usually the smallest or the largest.
Is you?
All right. So again, let's cross the key out. I want to make our own key. All right, I want to make our own key. What's the smallest? 4 what? 450. So the way they want it is 45 here and then a 0. All right, so it's just a way to separate them. All right, so the stem is going to be what? What are the stems going to be?
45, 46, 47.
There you go. Thank you very much. The stem is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Do I do 50?
No, there's no 50.
Yeah, there is no 50. Does everybody see that? All right. What?
So for 450, we add a 0 to the first one.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Just
All right. So the smallest one we said was 450. So I crossed that out and put a 0. Now, what's the next 45?
452.
And how many times? 2. Right? So then we'd have a 2, and we'd have a 2. Are there any more 45s?
Yes, 454.
454, so then I would need a what?
4.
4. Is that it? Okay, now what about the 46? What's
62.
462?
67. 66.
60, hold on. 62, then 66, he said. And then that's it, right? All right, so what about 47?
471.
471,
474.
474,
475.
and 475. Hold on a minute. 471, 474, 475,
And 478.
and then 478. And then the next ones are easy now because there's just 2 left.
83. 483. And 490.
Everybody good with that? So now it says, what's the height of the second tallest?
483.
483. All right. What is the range? Max, what is it?
49.
How do we get that?
Do 499 minus 450.
Yeah, the high minus the low. So what is that?
49.
49. How many buildings have the same height?
2.
Two.
Does everybody agree? Just 2, right? 452. All right. What's the difference in the height between the third tallest and the fifth tallest?
4.
So what's the third tallest? Somebody tell me.
478.
478.
477.
And then wait a minute.
Wait.
And the fifth tallest. So this is, see if you're hearing me now. This is first, second, third, and then I need the what? Fourth, fifth. So the fifth would be what? 474. So minus 474, so that would just be a what? 4. All right, now this is the annoying one. Take out your calculator. Everybody take out your calculator. I don't want someone telling me what the answer is. All right, then you writing it down. All right? Now, again, if you don't have your calculator, I don't even mind if you use your iPad to add them up. All right? But you're not going to write down what someone else says. Hurry up, boys. I mean it. Thank you. Every day you need your iPad and a calculator and a pencil. Every day. So I have one average.
Well, I don't have the
Okay, what was the total?
8,352.
8,352. Did anybody else get 8,352 when they added it up? No? What'd you get?
I got 5,000.
Say it again. 5,616. That's good. Somebody else get a total. 5,616. Double check yours. All right, I'm not saying they're right. I'm just saying double check because I've had 2 people tell me 5,616. Anybody else get a total of 5,616? All right, so how many buildings were there?
12.
12, right? So what are we dividing by?
12.
And what's my answer?
468.
Anybody else get 468?
Yes.
All right, now listen, I'm trying to teach you. You can't let someone else do the work. Take your calculator out, add them up yourself. Then do the division. Make sure you see it. Is everybody good with that? Anybody have any questions? All right, I told you guys, this is easy, right? All right, so what we're going to do now is I want you guys to finish the last one. The baseball bat. Look at their key, follow along, and then when we're done, I'm just going to call you to my desk. I'll give you a stamp, or I'll grade, make sure you got it done yourself, and then I'm going to put the IXL that I want you to do for this. What?
When it says like 29.5, do you put like the stem as 2 and then 9.5 as 2?
No, it's like 28. And then the decimal would be the.
Yes, that's exactly correct. All right, that's 100% correct. Thank you. Start small, go to large. What? 30 would be 30.0. Right? 30.0. Please get started on that. All right?